Nothing mistaken here. Today I'll be doing a Subway Surfers video. But first, I have to check this out. Buy one. Sorry about that. I have to go to menu, go to here, get that. Let's play, kids. And this game is 10 and up, but I don't really recommend that. You can play it at any age. I am not even 10, I'm 8 years old. And I think it's a pretty good game. I'm pretty good at it. I hope you guys can see this. I love how you stay up like that. That's really funny. Okay. Mission Master. Well, I'm gonna hit 1,000 coins and I'll stop. Hopefully you guys are still watching this. I'm having fun playing it just as much as you fun in watching it. By the way, I hope you guys are having a good day. Make sure, hope you guys had a great day today. I did the good and yep, I've done that much. Come on, get away, fat blob. Hoverboard. Oh, whoa. Fancy talk. Come in. Okay, coming in good here. Haven't done yet. Dang it! I want to get 1,000 before the time runs out. Okay, whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, click on my button, help me out, and toodaloo, toodaloo. Ask me if that video was good or not. I have no idea. But ask me if it was good. I don't know. I'll watch it right now. Peace out, home.